Here's how to read your US Mobile Data Usage Dashboard and understand what each section means. First, open the US Mobile app and select the phone line you want to check. At the top of the screen, you can see the currently selected line. If you have multiple lines on your account, tap the drop-down arrow to switch to another one. Make sure you're on the Current Cycle tab. This section shows your plan limits and how much you've used during your current billing period. Under Premium Data, you can see that this line has used 38.3 gigabytes out of the available 40 gigabytes. That means there's approximately 1.7 gigabytes of premium data remaining before the current billing cycle ends. Next to the data amount, you'll see a plus button. Tap it if you want to purchase or add more data depending on your US Mobile plan. Just below that, you'll find the Hotspot data section. In this example, it shows 0 out of 15 gigabytes, which means no hotspot data has been used yet, and the full 15 gigabytes is still available. Now scroll down to the Domestic Usage Metrics section for a more detailed breakdown. At the top, you can see your billing cycle dates. This example runs from December 15th through January 14th. Use the left and right arrows to view your usage from previous or upcoming billing cycles. Under the Data tab, you'll find three useful statistics. The first is total usage. Here it shows 38.3 gigabytes, which is the total amount of cellular data you've used during the current billing cycle. The second is daily average. In this example, it's 2.1 gigabytes, showing your average daily data usage. The third is the 3-cycle average. Here it shows 15.9 gigabytes, which is the average amount of data you've used over your last 3 billing cycles. Below these numbers, you'll see a graph that displays your daily data usage. Taller bars represent days when you used more mobile data. If you want to review your phone calls or text messages, simply tap the Talk or Text tabs to switch between those usage details. That's it. Now you know exactly how to read your US Mobile Data Usage Dashboard and keep track of your remaining data throughout your billing cycle. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Please like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.